Hello again everybody, it's Mel here from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech, here with another lesson for you. Now in this lesson I'm going to show you the 7 chords of the major scale. So in that little introduction I just played there, I was just playing over a chord progression that went through all of the 7 chords in a G major scale. So we'll stick with G major for this example, but as you already know, the major scale has 7 notes within it: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. And also we can put specific chords under each one of those notes, each one of those 7 notes. We can assign sort of its own chord that harmonises nicely with that note. So let's zoom in a little bit and let's have a look at these 7 chords in the G major scale. If you remember the notes of the major scale, we have a formula: tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Now with these chords we also have a similar formula that says major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. So that's major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. 1 for each of the 7 notes. And what that means is, with each note of the scale, in this case we're using G major, but this applies to any major scale, with each note, the first note will have a major chord underneath it. The second note of the scale will have a minor chord. The third note of the scale will also have a minor chord. The 4th note and the 5th note will have major chords underneath them. The 6th note will have a minor chord, and the last note is the black sheep of the family, the odd one out, because it has a diminished chord. So in our G major example, we've got the G major scale, and now if we play the corresponding chords that go along with those notes, we get G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, and finally we have F diminished, sorry, F sharp diminished. And then we're back at our G again. That's the chord formula for the major scale. So there you are folks, that's the lesson for today. The chords of the major scale. If you just remember that chord formula: major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Root 3rd and 5th is a major chord. Root flat 3rd and 5th is a minor chord, and root flat 3rd and flat 5th is a diminished chord, when we're talking about triads anyway. Don't worry too much about the diminished for now, we'll get into that in a later lesson. As ever, if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe and remember to click the little bell, And that's all from me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.